Imagine a tiny laboratory, built inside a giant storybook. A curious child sets up 7 glass tubes, each tuned to one note. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. She calls this her Don Quixote Melody Machine. Her dream is wild. Can these simple notes turn an old windmill into a charging knight? First, she studies real science. Each tube has a length and diameter that fixes natural frequency. She fills them with air under different pressures to match the exact pitches of the solfège scale. She measures frequency with small microphone and a computer. Do equals 261.6 Hz, re equals 293.7 Hz. Up to psi is 493.9 Hz. Simple. Next, she links the tubes to speakers facing a tiny windmill motor. She imagines that each note will push air pockets at just the right rhythm, creating a tiny gust. When she plays do, the air inside the tube forms standing wave and a small pop of wind escape. In her experiment, do makes the mill spin so slowly that only an ant could ride a blade. But she is not discouraged. She stacks the notes in a famous melody. Don Quixote's theme. The melody is a special pattern of pressure waves, each note coming at the perfect time. She adjusts the faces of the speakers so the notes align as constructive interference. When do and sol meet, they lift the air pressure a little more. When mi and la sync, they add a twist, fatherly. The model windmill tilts faster. The child is thrilled. Pumpkins could be carriages if she just adds more power. Now she imagines full-scale windmills. She calculates that real windmills need air pressure changes of about 100 pascals to overcome friction. Her tiny tubes only make 0.01 pascal. To reach 100 pascals, she will need a billion tubes, singing together at 120 decibels, louder than a rocket launch. That is impossible for human ears and would shred windows. Still, her thought experiment reveals magical science. She learns about acoustic resonance, interference, and how waves combine. She also thinks about the brain. The Don Quixote melody may not charge windmills, but it can charge our hearts. Studies show that music at around 440 Hz can boost alpha waves in our brain, making us feel brave and imaginative. Her melody machine might become a dream machine instead. At the end, she stands back and watches the model windmill spin slowly under her glass tubes. It never turns into a real night, and real windmills stay right where they are. Yet in this tiny lab, she sees the power of sound waves, shaped air, shaped machines, and shaped minds. The final note, sigh, hums softly as she writes down her conclusion. With science and a spark of imagination, even the wildest dream can teach us something real and wonderful.